Om Shanti. Hello friends, welcome to Himalayan Shakti Tantra. Today I am going to make video on a Tantra because I am teaching Tantra to peoples and I want to purify the polluted Tantra around the world. That's why I make videos on particular topic most of the time, because Tantra is totally polluted and misunderstood by the peoples, because everything is become business nowadays. Spirituality is the biggest business around the world and lots of peoples doing marketing of spirituality. Because I teach Tantra, so I want to make clear something about Tantra, and I will make more videos, small videos on Tantra topics with the very clear information. Because whenever I share my videos on my social media links and my YouTube channel, so lots of people comment me because they do Google research about the Tantra meaning, weaving and lots of things, they do Google research on it and they send me and they text me, no, this is the meaning of Tantra. So I want to make it clear, Tantra is all about the technique, the Tantra, Mantra, Yantra. These are the three things, the trinity of Tantra, Mantra, Yantra. So Tantra is all about the technique. Mantra is all about the sound. Tantra, Mantra, Yantra is all about the diagram. The physical form, just like you can say dice is also the diagram. You can see the trinity triangle, that is also the diagram we use in the Tantra practices, in the Tantra ritual, these three things. Tantra combined both the sound with the diaphragm, with the posture. When you do this together, when you combine together, that is called Tantra power. Because of some Western yogis and other yogis around the world, I can say nowadays, but mostly misunderstood and misinterpreted by the Western yogis, totally they convert Tantra, the spiritual Tantra practices. The Tantra is all about your inner awakening, the practice of your reality, who you are. But now they totally misunderstood and spread based on sex only, because they from their whole life they're focusing on the pleasure of their body, of their senses, and just because of that they mix this very pure and spiritual practice in physical dimensions only. You have to understand one thing in your life. If you're working on spirituality, you have to see the difference. I don't think so you're dumb. You cannot see the clear picture if you are a spiritual person. Every desire, there is no problem in the desire. Without desire, you cannot live. Desire is important in your life, but it depends what desire you need to fulfill. Every desire related to your body is temporary. Every desire from your childhood, and still you working on it, and you feel through the spirituality, through the mantra power, through the Tantra rituals and practices, you attaining your materialistic life and materialistic pleasure and benefits, and you think you're getting everything in your life. You are in a totally illusion. You are in a wrong direction. You're working in a wrong direction. You cannot get in your whole life. You cannot get in your whole life the higher stage of spirituality. It means you cannot able to remove the pain and the fear and the illusion, in a one word, from your life. You are not able to, because your energy is working down. Your energy is going down in your root area, in your down area, and from your childhood your energy is going down. So last 10 years of practice, 2 years of practice, 6 years of practice, and 6 years of training and lots of things, whatever it is, it doesn't matter. Still your energy is going down, so you've done nothing. You just waste your time, and you're wasting others' time too. Not even you just wasting time, even you spreading polluted content on your social media and YouTube channel, and this is not right. And you will get same in your life if you share the wrong content, wrong knowledge and practices with others. And this is the reason, because we believe we are giving love, we are giving knowledge, we are giving practices, healings, everything you are giving, and you always believe, oh my God, why I am not receiving it? I'm so loving with others, I'm so kind with others. Because you spreading wrong knowledge. Because of the wrong knowledge, you getting same result in your life. If you want to change your life, so you have to grow. You have to remove, you have to purify the pollution in the spirituality. Every desire related to your physical dimension, that is not spirituality, because spirituality belongs to permanent pleasure of your life. But your physical pleasure is temporary. Even you doing sex, even you eating, even you drinking, even you traveling, every time you get more desire. No, I'm done with this place, I need to travel somewhere else. Oh, I'm done with this food. After 4 hours, again you had that desire to eating food, you drinking, even a sex. So it means it's temporary. And from your childhood, when you born, you living the same pattern, but you just tag yourself spiritual. Tag cannot change your life. The spiritual tag cannot change your life. Only your reality, your real practices, your real knowledge can change. Even knowledge cannot. The practice and the detachment, these are the two main tools you need to use in your spiritual life. Then you can transform your life. Then you are able to detach yourself with every pain and fear and illusion of your life. Lots of people die around you. You saw yourself. Lots of people die. Even you will die one day. So still you believing and experiencing the pleasure of your body. Do you think you can grow? You can detach yourself and you will die? No, you cannot. Because you didn't practice. Only the practice every day with the discipline you need to practice every day. But 90% people's, they want it, but they cannot. They are not able to do that because they don't want it. Exactly, they don't want it. They want to live in an illusion because they like it. They don't want to wake up. If a beggar, if you just take a situation, if a beggar who lives on the road and is watching a dream, a very beautiful dream, he's become a king in the dreams only, and lots of people serving him, and he's enjoying every single physical pleasure of his life. Do you think he want to wake up? No, he just want to sleep in his whole life because he's enjoying. The same thing happened with us. We enjoying the temporary pleasure. When you wake up, you realize I was just a beggar. I was not a king. So please try to understand. If you give wrong content, wrong knowledge, wrong information, wrong practice, if you don't know the root, if you don't know the result in the future, you will get same. And if you want to change this, so stop doing this. Keep practice and detach yourself from the physical pleasure, unwanted desires, temporary desires. Then you can go high. Then you can see the beauty of this world. Otherwise, till the end of your life, you will see just pain and fear in your life and the traumatic and negative energies. And I don't want that in your life. Really, I don't want it. Sometimes I talk very rashly because I feel pain about you, because I know you are going in a wrong direction. You are going in a wrong direction, and it will take you in a wrong place, and then you will regret yourself why I choose this in my life. So every pleasure, every single pleasure with your body, with your senses, that is just a pleasure of Kama Sutra. That is not Tantra. Tantra is all about inner journey, the journey of insight. And every pleasure is connected from outside, your physical pleasure I'm talking about. But the Tantra is all about inner pleasure. There is no physical connection. I repeat 3 times. I hope you will understand what I'm saying to you. There is no physical connection in Tantra. We are just using like a tool. When you want to call, you use your phone, your mobile, your SIM card. These are just a tool to connect, like a modern technology. The same thing happened in the Tantra. We use elements only, nothing more than that. So if you want every time your physical pleasure, you are not spiritual. You are not doing spiritual practice, because you are not body. I hope you know that. Definitely you didn't realize yet, but you are not body. That's why Tantra is not related with your physical fulfillment desires. It's not. Because if you are something else, it means you're doing something wrong. So change it now. Otherwise, you will regret yourself till the end of your life. And take it wisely, because I really do care about every single person on earth, and I mean it. That's why I have to share this. Please take it wisely. Remove your ego. I is all about your physical, who you are without your body, who you are without your name, who you are without your job, who you are without this. Ask yourself, and then work hard to understand, to know, to realize who I am. Then you will realize, not know, then you will realize everything in your life. Om Shanti.